on the Buick. Got another little upgrade going on. Got the Benz lights. Oh, this is the back view. When you creeping up on the nigga, you see that orange Benz lights on that corner. So now for the install sequential arrows in the side mirror, they're gonna be orange too. And match the Benz light when I hit that signal. They're gonna go right in there. I already took the side mirror off. That's what the sequential arrow looked like. Now one on each side. I got this one just set up. So when I hit that blinker, this is what it's gonna look like. Also wired up for the hazard lights, so it'll run sequential with the hazard lights too on, and the left and right turn signal. I had these on ready for the car show this weekend, Cinco de Mayo. Another little upgrade on the slab.